еще по 20 баксов полезут.
А это все было рассчитано.
Смотри, смотри, красавчик.
Не надо, я снимаю.
Ой, я хочу ослика.
Здесь ослик. Excuse me. I can make movie. Здесь такой симпатичный ослик.
Together. That means lots more juice will be taken from that sugar cane. Today, however, we're extracting all. That's a pose, folks. Yeah. So today we're extracting all of 98% of juice, and this is what our extraction is like. We call this baguette here in Jamaica. We use that power to run here, the factory, estate homes, school, and also a clinic. The ash after burning this we also use. We place it back into the fields as a form of fertilizer. Nothing goes to waste there. And as you see, he's enjoying the fruits of his labor. That's what I'm talking about, right? So let's make our way to those 3 mini pots in front of you. They're called copper
Its
pots.
own little circle of life.
So back in the day, they would start out by placing the juice in a pot of this size. It buzzed and filled. They'd lift for over to a second size pot. By the time it reaches this spot, it buzzes some more. It forms what is called a full concentrate. They'd lift for over to a third size pot.
То есть сперва здесь кипятилось, потом во второй чан перегонялось, потом в третий.
By the time it reaches pot 3, we end up with what is called wet sugar. Now what is wet sugar?
А в третьем уже концентрация.
There's brown sugar crystals with molasses in one mixture. We separate the two. The brown sugar is what we send to
Мокрый сахар, там чуть-чуть количество жженый сахар с молекулами уже разделялся.
the molasses is what we need for making of this. So these are replicas of copper pots. What this is? Also, it's one of the largest members of the grass family. It came to us all the way from Papua New Guinea.
Планово Гвинея попал.
It's all of 75% of water, 10 to 16% of sugars, and also 10 to 16% of fiber.
10-15% волокно, 10-15% сахара, остальное вода.
Almost everywhere in the world, sugarcane takes all of 2 years to grow.
Во всем мире практически уходит 2 года на то, чтобы сахарный тростник вырос.
But here on the estate, we have sugarcane growing in. Bingo. You'll be getting the candy first.
1 year?
10 months to a year.
Здесь год да уходит.
Right across here, we have a mini garden showing you what the sugarcane looks like when
Вот
it's growing.
мини-сад, представляющий собой плантацию, пример плантации сахарного тростника.
When it matures, we cut right at the bottom of the sugarcane.
Когда он поспеет со дна
I did tell it's a grass, so it's gonna grow again.
и потом обратно вырастает.
What is underneath the earth is referred to as a raccoon. Not a rat, but a raccoon. A raccoon is really a small stub about this size and it has some roots on there.
Ну там остается вот такой стебель и там уже под ним корень.
So we have that growing for 5 to 6 crops, after which we remove that raccoon and we plant a
5-6
seedling.
урожаев, потом этот корень выкапывается.
You realize it has some joints like your finger. So one joint is equivalent to a seedling. That's what we replant. This is where the plant actually grows from. We call this eye here in Jamaica. In other countries, it's referred to as node. So the eyes actually go here, here, and there we have some huge sugar cane. So I'm going to allow you to taste the good Appleton candy. It's all natural candy. You just need to chew, remove off the juice, and then you dispose of the fiber in the trash can right here. And if you have some rum remaining, it's an excellent time. You can have one for the rum for later and one for now. Are you ready?
Выжимает тростник.
Полный зал. Вот сейчас здесь дегустация. Через 5 минут. Где там Надя? Вот она. Да, сейчас. Мы находимся в магазине, где продается продукция этого завода. Завода рома Appleton. Ну и что, как тебе, Ромчик?
Да, неплохо. А тебе понравился?
Да, очень хороший.
Пойдем.
Ну да.